Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter C from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large C-shaped curve. Then from the top, let's draw an angle down. And the same thing on the bottom. Now let's connect the top and the bottom by drawing another C inside. Next, let's add the eyes. Inside on the left here, let's draw a curve. Then from the top, let's angle it up and out. And the same on the bottom. And now let's connect them on the right side. Now let's draw the left eye in the same way, but a bit smaller. Next, let's erase those overlapping lines inside. Now let's move inside the right eye and draw two angled lines. And the same thing for the left eye. Now inside the right eye, toward the left, let's draw a rectangle shape at the bottom here. And the same thing inside the left eye in the center. And then let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the letter C. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!